Hi guys, I am Vajiha and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can create split vertical video in a very simple way. If you are new here, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss my latest video. Let's get started. First we will go create a design and I will type here mobile video. You can also create Instagram reels. We will just zoom it out to see the perfect view of our video. Now we will go to the elements and I will type grid frames or just grid. So there are so many grids option you can choose for your video, for your projects. So I will select this 3-layer vertical grid frame. Now go to the elements or upload your videos. So I have already uploaded some videos here. I will choose this one. You can also choose a video whatever you want. So this is the very simple way you can create split vertical video. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.